Hi, everybody. We're going to work on 7-6 factoring trinomials when you have a positive middle term and a negative last term. Okay, so it's going to be a little different from what we've done before and a lot the same also. Okay, so I'm going to take a step back. Let's do one of each that we have learned already. So let's see, the first one I'm going to put up here is x squared plus 6x and then plus 8. So that was our first lesson on trinomials where you had two positives. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to find factors of 8 that add up to 6. This is the last, this is the middle. Um, and then we're going to, okay, so find the factors of 8 and decide which one will add or subtract to be a 6, which is 2 times 4. So let's put 4 and 2 here, and that means those are your numbers. We're going to use a double bubble. I haven't used that term yet, and I'm not sure why, but I call the two parentheses double bubble. Kids seem to remember it then. All right, so you get x plus 4, x plus 2. Okay? All right, the next type we did was when the middle term was negative, so minus x squared minus 6x, but the last term is positive. So let's make our x. In the top, we're going to put an 8. In the bottom, we're going to put a negative 6. Okay, so now all we did was change the signs. The first problem we did here was x squared plus 6x plus 8. This one is just x squared minus 6x plus 8. So let's see what happens. When I do the factors, 1 times 8, 2 times 4. Okay, I'm still trying to add up to, well, not 6, but negative 6. So let's think about the top. The top is positive, which we decided yesterday would make these two negative because in order to get a positive answer, you have to multiply a negative times a negative. Then I go to look at adding that, and I get negative 2 plus negative 4, which is a negative 6. Therefore, our two numbers are negative 2 and negative 4. We're going to double bubble. Okay, this guy gets dropped in the left bubble. This guy gets dropped in the right bubble. And now you have that answer also. Okay, so that's review. That's what we have done before. What we're doing now is we're going to change it up. I'm going to put example 1. Well, I'm going to try to put example 1. Hold on. No. Hey, how about this? Example 1. Okay, so my first example here is n squared plus 4n minus 12. Okay, we're going to start out the same way. Take the last number, put it in the top of your x. Take this middle number, this is middle, this is last, and put it in the bottom, it's positive 4. Okay, now, let's think about this. We're going to go through and we're going to list factors of 12, okay? 1 times 12, 2 times 6, 3 times 4. That should be about it. What we need, though, here is we need two numbers. One has to be positive and one has to be negative. The reason why that happens is because you have a negative 12 up here. So to multiply to a negative, you need a positive and a negative. Okay. Are there any two? Well, let's go through these. 1 times 12. Is there any way you're ever going to get to a 4? No. And 2 times 6. Well, 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, so if we do 6 minus 2, that would make the 2 negative and the 6 positive. So negative 2 times 6 is negative 12, and 6 minus 2 is 4. So what we do is we have an, okay, now we double bubble. And we get x, oh my goodness, x plus 6, x minus 4. Okay? So when you're multiplying to get a negative number, you're always going to have two different signs. Okay? All right, so let's try another example. I'm going to clear this because it looks really messy. Hold on. Okay, let's do example number 2. And here it is. Example number 2 is x squared plus x minus 90. Ah, minus 90. Oh my goodness. All right, so we're going to have to put the negative 90 in the top. And in the bottom, we're going to put a 1. Okay, remember, phantom 1. We're missing 1 there. All right, so factors of 90, there's so many of them. And I guess we'll just start. Hmm. Okay, so these are all the factors. Now, if I add 1 to 90 or subtract 1 from 90, I'm never going to get a 1. How about 2 and 45? Is that going to give me Is that going to give me a 1 ever, whether I add or subtract? No. How about 3 and 30? Well, 33 or 27 when I add or subtract. 5 and 18, that would be 22 or 13 if you subtracted. And if you add 6 and 15, you get 21. And if you subtract 15 minus 6, you get 9. So that's no good. Oh, 9 times 10 is 90. Don't worry about the signs right now. 9 times 10 is 90. And 10 minus 9 equals 1. Therefore, you get a positive 10 and a negative 1. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 10 times negative 9 is 90. Double bubble, and you get x plus 10, x minus 9. Okay? Okay, example number 3. X squared plus 2x minus 24. Okay, make your x. In the top, we put negative 24. In the bottom, we put a 2. So we're looking for two numbers that multiply to be negative 24 and add to be 2. Or subtract. So what we're going to do is we're just going to forget about the sign for now. So you got 1 times 24, you have 1 times 24, 2 times 12. Either one of these is going to give you a 2, whether you add or subtract. Well, 24 plus 1 is 25, 24 minus 1 is 23. This would be a 10 or a 14, neither of which are 2. All right, 3 times 8. Would that give me a 2 if 8 minus 3 is 5? No. All right, 4 times 6. Aha. 4 times 6 is 24. Okay? 6 minus 4 is 2. Therefore, I have a 6 and a negative 4. So 6 times negative 4 equals negative 24, and 6 minus 4 equals positive 2. Double bubble, and you get x plus 6, x minus 4. Okay? All right, last example. Example 4 is going to be x squared plus 3x minus, excuse me, minus 54. Ugh. What are the factors of 54? Okay, so let's make our x first. Negative 54 on the top and positive 3 on the bottom. So what we're going to do is we're going to look for the factors of 54. Don't worry about the sign right now. 1 times 54. Oh my goodness, this is going to take a while. 2 times 27. Let me just check these. 1 and 54, never going to be a 3. 2 and 27, never is going to get you a 3. 3, does 3 go in? Yeah, 3 goes into 54. Let's see, 18 times. Okay, does 4 go in? No. 5 doesn't go in. Does 6 go in? 6 times 9 is 54. Okay. We said 2 and 7 are not, 1 and 54 are not going to give us a 3, whether we add or subtract. 2 and 27 are not going to give us a 3, whether we add those numbers or subtract them. 3 and 18 would be, oh, is that a, yeah, 18 would be either 15 or 21. We don't want those. 6 plus 9 is 15, but 9 minus 6 equals 3. Okay, so this is it. So we needed to change that to a negative. So 9 and negative 6, when you multiply them, give you a negative 54. And when you subtract 9 minus 6, you get a 3. So those are your numbers you want to use. Double bubble. It's x plus 9, x minus 6. Does anybody know why we put an x in front of each one of those numbers? So x plus 9, x minus 6. Well, look at your first term of your trinomial, the way they wrote it. What's x times x? X squared. There you go. Okay, so that's it for my part of this. Now you're going to do your part. So I'm going to give you 4 problems to work out on your own. When you're done, take a picture of your notes and your work and send it to me. Thanks. Okay, here are your 4 problems. Hit pause, work them out, and when you hit play again, you'll see the answers. Okay, so here are your answers. I hope you did okay with them. If not, I have online office hours from 11 to 11:30. Come on and I'll, do some work with you right on there. Okay, have a great day, everybody. Miss you guys.